Hi, I am Chirag Mehta, Senior Fund Manager, Alternative Investments at Quantum Mutual Fund. Today we are going to talk about the interesting solution that mutual funds offer called Equity Fund of Funds. Before we deep dive into that, let us analyze why do investors invest with mutual funds? Why do investors choose equity mutual funds when it comes to their equity investments? There are more than 7,000 listed companies out there. So selecting a stock which will has good prospects over the long run becomes very difficult. It requires a lot of time, knowledge, expertise on behalf of investors to make that right call. And therefore, investors choose a professional approach wherein it ropes in a mutual fund, which has a fund manager and team of analysts who can, understand the stocks well, analyze, research their way out, and build that portfolio for investors. Similarly, when it comes to choosing an equity fund, it is very difficult because there are more than 500 equity schemes out there, and therefore choosing which scheme suits the investors which are likely to do well over the long run, which has a good track record, which are consistent in performance, it becomes very difficult, and therefore again requires the time, inclination, and expertise uh, by the investor to choose the right fund for him, right? And so there is a solution built by the mutual fund industry that caters or has a similar rationale. Why do investors come to mutual funds? In a similar way, equity fund of fund helps the investor make that robust portfolio that is likely to outperform over the long run. What it entails is a strong research-based approach to selecting mutual fund schemes and building the portfolio that will help investors in their equity investment journey over the long run. So what we have is the Quantum Equity Fund of Funds as an offering, where we do not invest in any quantum funds, but invest in equity schemes of other mutual funds that are being offered. What we do is give you the research and expertise of quantum. We analyze thoroughly what all schemes are being offered by various mutual funds, and amongst them, who are good at their track record, who are good at their consistency, who are good at their processes, we select those funds for you. And given that it is a research-driven approach, there are no biases. It's all purely driven by research and the work that we do in terms of looking at the track record, meeting the fund manager, analyzing what he says and what he does is one and the same thing or not. Are there any red flags? Are there processes involved? Is there succession planning there or not? So we analyze holistically how the mutual fund is, and therefore we try to balance out risk and reward and choose the funds for you. So what you get as an investor is finest 5 to 7 diversified equity funds out there. We build a portfolio of, generally speaking, about 5 large cap funds and 2 from the non-large cap space. So that is how we build a portfolio of 7 funds and give you that robust, well diversified portfolio that you're looking for. Benefits for you is only one NAV to track. You don't have to do multiple investments. You just do one investment. It gets monitored by a fund manager, and it gets invested in a research-backed process. And you don't have hassles of doing multiple investments and tracking multiple investments. So that's a great convenience to get a research-backed product. And what you get is unbiased selection of funds. When I say unbiased, there are many times when you on yourself invest or through an advice from someone, there are inherent biases involved. And when it is only driven by research, there are no biases that come. And as we do not invest even in quantum funds, even there are no biases from that perspective. So it is completely unbiased selection of funds that you get. You get diversification with limited capital. Say if you had to invest in those 7 funds, you would require a sum of about 3 to 4,000 rupees on a minimum basis to gain exposure to these funds. With quantum equity fund, the funds, you can get exposure even by 500,000 rupees to these 7 funds. So you get diversification with limited capital that you could deploy, right? And also when you are investing in equity mutual funds on your own, when you move in and out of your equity fund, say you exit out of an equity fund and you invest in some other equity fund, you incur capital gains tax. We being mutual funds, when we do that changes in the portfolio, when we exit out of a scheme and invest in another scheme, there is no capital gains tax being applicable to us, given that we are mutual funds. Only when you purchase or redeem, there is a capital gains tax that you have. But otherwise, when we do those portfolio changes, there is no incidence of capital gains that you have to pay, right? And if you see, what do you pay for the research, for the advice, or for the monitoring of the portfolio that you get with the equity fund of funds? There is a myth that, given that I invest in a fund which will invest in other funds, there'll be two layers of expenses. Yes, there will be two layers of expenses, but is it significantly higher? It's not. We invest in direct plans of mutual funds, and therefore it comes at a lower cost. And secondly, what we charge for all the research or the monitoring that we do and all the scheme running expenses that are there, it's a total of 0.51% only. So what you pay to us in terms of the scheme running expenses and the research and monitoring is just 0.51%. So it's not higher. It's if you compare with the regular plans, it's kind of lower than that. So you get this advice at a not much higher cost, right? So I think it is a great way. It's a great solution for you as an investors to, get into your equity journey, where a professional will manage the funds for you. They will employ the best funds. They will keep monitoring. They do have built-in exit mechanism. Usually investors keep complaining to us that I do make the right investments, but I don't kind of determine when is the right time to exit out of my investments that I've made. That's a typical challenge the investors face, because there is always a bias. People do not redeem out of bad performing funds very easily. They tend to give them much larger time, and by that time it's too late to kind of exit out of that investment. When it comes to our research backed processes, we do have an exit mechanism in place, and therefore it benefits you as an investor, given the monitoring that we have on a regular basis. We keep meeting the fund managers to understand their strategies. We keep monitoring in terms of when is the right time to exit out of that investments. And what we are trying to do at the end of the day is give you that consistency in terms of returns. Utilize this solution. It's significantly popular in the Western world, where investors utilize these fund of fund solutions and invest through them. I think Indian investors also have this opportunity to utilize the solution that the fund houses have to offer and get on with their equity journey through a professional approach, and invest for their equity investment needs. So it's just one fund. If you invest in, your equity investment needs are complete, because you get a well-diversified bouquet of equity funds. So invest in this. It's a great solution that we have, the Quantum Equity Fund of Funds, and enjoy your equity journey going ahead. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.